How can I grow organic indoors? Welcome to the CANNA Masterclass. In this lesson, we explain how organic fertilization differs from mineral fertilization in short indoor grow cycles. Organic fertilizers have been used for centuries, mainly from animal manure and plant compost. Minerals were also used indirectly, for example through ash after burning organic material. The use of mineral fertilizers made from salts was discovered in the 19th century. In soil, manure ferments slowly. Cow manure needs several years to release nutrients. Each year, only a small part becomes available to plants through natural breakdown. Indoor growing cycles are short. Plants need all nutrients in a limited time. Organic fertilizers must therefore release nutrients fast, without breaking down in the bottle. Not every fertilizer made from organic material is truly organic. Plastic is also organic. Slow-release plastic fertilizers may work, but leave unwanted residues behind. That is why certification is needed. Independent organizations like Control Union or OMRI check if fertilizers meet organic standards. BIOCANNA is certified and made from 100% plant material. Even with certified products, growing methods matter. Organic growing depends on micro-organisms that release nutrients and live in symbiosis with plant roots. These microorganisms live best at a pH above 6. Lowering pH with acids kills them and breaks organic nutrients into minerals, turning organic feeding into mineral feeding. Although plants can absorb these minerals, pH correction is forbidden in organic growing. That is why BIOCANNA does not recommend pH control of organic nutrient solutions. Fresh organic fertilizers have almost no EC. This prevents nutrient burn and water uptake problems. Therefore, EC meters are not needed when dosing correctly. Organic nutrients must always be mixed fresh. Stock solutions are not recommended. BIOCANNA guarantees a shelf life of 2 years when stored correctly. In average, out of 1 liter of BioVega, you will get 500 liters of water solution. Organic growing prioritizes quality, aroma and plant expression. Plants grow more vegetative, oils are preserved and flavor improves. Organic growing trades quantity in quality. So, you see, growing fully organic indoor is possible with BIOCANNA. Level up your organic grow. See you in the next one.